Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or adjust your cursor speed on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, whether you want to make it faster or slower. In today's tutorial, I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up, and then select the devices tile. Select mouse on the left panel here, and then on the right side you can adjust this cursor speed to the right or left depending on how fast you want it to be. Right in the middle, I think number 10 is the default setting in here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.